Well, the story here on Mother's Day obviously has been the warmth, but the story on Saturday was that fantastic-looking sunset. This Mary Amar photo coming in from the Albuquerque metro area kind of paints the perfect picture for us. As just a few stray clouds were kind of working through the sky as the sun was setting. Not so the case this time around. That's because we've got a lot of dry air in place. This is our famous dew point map. I like to bring it out whenever the change between moist air and dry air makes a big difference in the land of enchantment. And trust me, there's moist air in the border counties there with the Texas Panhandle, but look how the map goes brown on us to the west. That's the dry air. And one thing about dry air, when you mix it with sunshine and a breezy afternoon, it can get hot, and it can get hot in a hurry, and it has done just that. Afternoon high has actually been up in the low 90s in the Albuquerque metro, 90 degrees right now at the Sunport, 85 up in Santa Fe, and a toasty 81 in Las Vegas. Now, once you get over in the eastern counties where that moisture is, look at this. The moist air is not as hot. We're talking 50s, 60s, 70s out that way, and it looks like the moist air is making a march towards the metro as we head through the night. Here's the story as of today. It's been a warm and dry day for most of the state, only the east where that moist air has been. But see this little front, this cold front? It's another one of those backdoor fashion fronts. It's going to bring some cooler and moist air all the way to the metro area tonight. Eastern Plains actually going to see some cloud cover and maybe a few sprinkles as the night wears on. Then, as we get into Monday proper, we're going to watch that moist air that moved west tonight, move east again tomorrow. Still going to be a little cooler for the easternmost counties, but for the most part, we're not going to see a whole lot of change. I think we're going to shave off 2 or 3 degrees in the metro tomorrow from what we saw today, but as we roll through the upcoming week, it is going to be a hot one. Now, we don't have the official high temperature number in from the Weather Service just yet. That's still about 18 minutes away, but so far we have seen the thermometer at 91, and the reason I'm harping on the official numbers, look at this. The record for today is 93, set back in the year 2000. So it's possible we could be up near record levels. It got hot and got hot in a hurry. As I mentioned, still 90 degrees out there and a little breezy as well. Meanwhile, most of your cloud cover all kind of scooting to the north. This is where your storm track is. And because we don't have the storm track coming in, we're not really going to see a whole lot of wet weather action when that moisture comes our way. If we had some more dynamics, we'd be talking thunderstorms and a dry line. That just is not the case this time around. But you do see the clouds. They're going to be coming in to the east overnight tonight. Other areas stay clear, and if you're in the sun tomorrow, you're in the warmth as well. Notice temperatures going to run in the 70s from Clayton and Raton down through Tucumcari, but once you move into the western reaches of the state, such as the southwest, T.R.C., Deming, Las Cruces, Lordsburg, all in the 90s, and there's going to be a boundary between the warmer and the milder air somewhere in the southeastern plains tomorrow. We could see some late afternoon showers in that vicinity. Otherwise, it looks like a dry and warm day and a few more afternoon breezes, although it shouldn't be exceptionally windy tomorrow. Actually, today is much windier than what I'm anticipating coming our way in the next 24 hours. Mild weather prevails through the week and into the upcoming weekend in Santa Fe. Warm weather prevails in the metro with another couple of 90-degree days possible as we work through the week. Next widespread rain chance not until next Sunday, and even that's pretty slim, only at 20%.